Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Zyerch Pool Vacuum for in-ground pools, Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner for in-ground pools, wall and waterline cleaning. Powerful suction and replaceable battery, and why you should choose. Because it consists of the following features. Efficient cleaning. Our above-ground pool vacuum offers superior cleaning performance. Equipped with dual motors and dual scrapers, it efficiently removes debris from the pool floor and corners, capturing 95% of particles as small as 180 micrometer, thus delivering cleaner water for a sparkling pool. Powerful pool vacuum machine. Equipped with 2024 upgraded independent pump motor, the maximum power can reach 45,000 PA, can thoroughly and efficiently remove all kinds of debris, sand, leaves and other garbage and stubborn dirt on the surface of the pool. Ensures fast and thorough cleaning of the pool for a perfect cleaning experience. Ultra-long working hours. The pool vacuum boasts a long battery life, providing up to 120 to 150 minutes of continuous run time. And it will audio and LED alerts for low battery. Moreover, its rapid charging capability ensures it is ready for the next cleaning session in about 3 hours. This innovative robotic pool cleaner is designed for in-ground swimming pool up to 65 feet and water depth of 9.8 feet. Intelligent path planning. Offering 2 types of path planning, S-path cleaning and a regular wall climbing path. Equipped with advanced sensors and gyroscopes, this robotic pool cleaner maps and navigates the pool with unmatched precision, resulting in methodical coverage with fewer missed spots. Easy filter cleaning. Large top-load filter cartridges with superior filtering abilities that traps and locks in debris for optimal cleaning. To clean the filters, simply open the front cover, remove the filter basket from the pool cleaner, and rinse them with a garden hose. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.